Hey y'all, it's Friday. Guess where I'm at? I'm at the office right now. It's Friday. I'm excited. I went to lunch by myself because Maddie's with her Auntie Hillary. And I got some leftover food right here. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it though. I got too much. I should have just did California rolls because I was not feeling it. But yeah, so I'm just hanging out in the office. I've been here. How do I prop this up more? Hold on. I didn't bring my tripod. So I'm just hanging out here at the office right now. Hanging out. I had to come here because I just had a couple of things to do, take a couple of payments, and I had to wait for the guy who does like the uniforms washing come in. So yeah, just all that stuff. Country Jam is fastly approaching us. Let's see when it is. It is, wait, when is Country Jam? Country Jam. 1, 2, 3. Anyways, I uploaded a vlog the other day, yesterday actually. What am I talking about? And I did a week in my life. I have another vlog I want to upload. I want to do a video, I just don't know what. I'm trying to think. Tomorrow I'm going to vlog all day. I'm going to go with my sister Jackie. We're going to do some registry shopping for her, like scanning and stuff. And I'm excited for that. Whew. Okay guys, about to go outside in this scary world that we live in. Oh, I think I got a mask on. Grab a mask real quick. I'm gonna wear a mask at the nail shop just because I feel like it's right and I should do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, we're leaving. Well, I'm leaving. Guess I'm not gonna see Maddie until like 4:30. So I'm like really emo about it. But whatever. Let's go. Oh, the worst thing about having leather seats is my booty's gonna burn. Oh my god! Holy shit! I should have put my cover on. Oh my god! It's hot. My butt is burning. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! My nail appointment is in 30 minutes. It's gonna drag. Just like, dang, it's so hot. Why is it this hot? Woo! Ay, ay, ay. I don't even want to touch my steering wheel. No wonder why people get steering wheel covers. Let me see. The best thing when Maddie isn't with me, I can hog all the AC stuff to myself. Oh, fuck. I just burned myself. Oh my god, does anybody like have leather seats and like hate it during the summertime? give me cold air. Alright guys, let's go. I'm gonna get some Starbucks. Treating myself today. Y'all want to hear my favorite song? I bet you guys wouldn't even think I listen to Trippie Redd, but I do.
Fuck it, I don't want none of it. Fuck your trust, fuck it, I don't want none of it.
So I am at the car wash right now. I'm gonna get my car washed. And fuck. That's for my hand. Okay, I got my, since I got like 15 more minutes to kill. Got my iced coffee. They gave me a Trenta, but they loaded it up with ice, which I'm glad they did that, because honestly, like, one time they did that and they gave me a Trenta and I like thought I was gonna die. I didn't finish it, but they didn't, like, they made it a Trenta. Like, it was unreal. So this time they made me a Trenta because they ran out of venti cups, because I asked for a venti, and they gave me a Trenta cup. It's just like, it looks like we gave you a lot, but I swear we didn't. I loaded it up with ice and I was like, thank you, baby Jesus. Because me, I'm like, I could barely finish a venti, so yeah. And every time I go to Starbucks, I ask for an iced water because I needed to wash down all this coffee. If you just drink coffee and don't, like, if you drink Starbucks espresso and you don't, like, have water after, you got issues. Like, I cannot, I need water. I feel like dehydrated AF if I don't. So I've been going to this car wash. I love this car wash here. It's only $7 for a really good car wash. Like, it's really good. It looks like it'd be cheap, not great, but honestly, it's my favorite. I love it. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're thriving, getting SHRT done. Once I pick up Maddie, I'm gonna go to Boot Barn because I need to, or I'll probably go to Boot Barn. Yeah, I need to go to Boot Barn first, or after I pick up Maddie, and then yeah, go from there. But it's my turn, so let's go. Love me a clean old car. And it's cool because it has like the blow dryers right there, so it dries your car, so that's cool. Hey guys, so I just left the nail salon. It's $3.35. It was $70. I don't know how, but it was. Let me show you guys. I just did white, and then my toes are white. Which you guys will see in the thumbnail, but yep, just did white powder. I think it sticks better, and yeah, but it looks really good. I love it. Now I'm on my way to Boot Barn, and I'm gonna return some stuff, see if I find something else I like. If I don't, yeah, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do right now. So exciting. Hey guys, so right now I just got done getting ready. We're gonna meet up with my sister Jackie. We're gonna go to Bye Bye Baby. She's gonna do her registry, so I'm going with her, and I'm pretty excited for it. Just to, you know, glad she's letting me come along and experience this with her. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing right now. I have this like headband on. Thought it'd be super cute to wear. I got these from Amazon. I got like a 4-pack of them. So I'll have to put the link in the description if you guys decide you want to order some. They're really cute, good quality. And yeah, so I'm wearing that with this like cropped type top, and then my Birkenstocks. So yeah, I'm gonna get Maddie dressed.
The charger down.
No, because I'm gonna do your hair real quick and then we're gonna leave. I'm gonna do Maddie's hair and then we're gonna head out because we got a little bit of a drive, so that'll be fun. But yeah, so that's pretty much the plan right now. Hey guys, so it's way later in the night. Let's see what time it is. 10:50. Normally I go to sleep early, but I don't know, lately I've been having a lot of anxiety and it's been difficult for me to fall asleep. But it's been like difficult for me to fall asleep, so I've been staying up later rather than just laying in bed and in my thoughts. So right now I'm gonna fill out that application for a second job. I'm just gonna do it on the weekends and in the night, just for some extra cash. But yeah, so I got that. I'm also gonna be doing some save the dates. I have a couple more I gotta send out tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna edit a video and then hopefully go to bed after that. Maddie's sleeping in her room, which I'm super excited about. She fell asleep in my bed, so I just took her to her room. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys my nails. I just did all white, and then I did white on my toes as well. I do powder just because gel like stains really bad and it's annoying. But yeah, so I just wanted to catch you guys up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog, just so I could get some of this stuff done and focus. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.